Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can summarize a YouTube videos within seconds only by using the Google Gemini. So if you want to watch a YouTube video and you want to, let's say, want to know easily what the video is all about because the video is too long, this is how you are going to do it. Okay, so first you can just open your browser and open the Gemini apps as long as the YouTube app. Here I've already opened the video, so I got this video from the slide skills channel. For example, I want to summarize this video. So what you need to do is just copy the link, copy the video URL, click on copy, and then go to the Gemini, and here you can just enter the prompt. So you can just write summarize this video, and then you can just paste the link in here just like this and then submit. Then just wait until the Google Gemini finish summarizing the video. So you can see it will done within seconds. So this video is about the 5 favorite personal transition in PowerPoint, and here you can see that the Gemini also successfully detect that it's from YouTube, and here there will be the summarize options, and you can see there will be this thumbnail or YouTube video views under it. Here this is the result. If you want to, you can also click on the more options. Here you can copy the result and maybe you can paste it anywhere. So you can also regenerate the draft. If you don't satisfied with the result, you can click on a regenerate draft, and Gemini will try to regenerate the summary again. So that's all for me. That's how you can summarize a video on YouTube using Google Gemini. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thank